Hi, I am NATASHA DENONA. In this video, I want to help you and teach you how to choose your foundation. In my range, I have created 3 different foundations. The Face Glow Foundation, which is giving a fresh look to the skin, a medium coverage, and also a glow finish. Foundation X, which is giving a medium to full coverage and a semi-matte finish. Semi-matte finish means matte on dry skin and more glowy on oilier skins. And Transform Matte. Transform Matte is a foundation that is giving a medium to full coverage and leaving the skin with a natural matte finish. There are 2 ways to choose a foundation, either by your skin texture or by the finish you desire. Matte, natural, or glowy. If you have dry or dehydrated skin, then I would recommend you the Face Glow Foundation, which will give you always a fresh and healthy looking skin with a natural glow and will never look dry and dull. If you have normal skin, then you can just choose by finish, either Face Glow Foundation for a healthy glow or Foundation X for more coverage with a semi-matte finish, or Transform Matte for full coverage and matte finish. For combination skin, I would recommend Foundation X for semi-matte finish, and sometimes it can also give you a healthy glow to the skin, or Transform Matte just for full coverage and a matte finish. You can also wear the Face Glow Foundation, but then I would recommend to balance your T-zone with the mattifying primer, or you can set it with powder. For oily skins, I would highly recommend the Transform Matte Foundation because it gives a matte finish, it balances the oil excess of the skin, and it also vanishes visibly the pores. But also people with oily skins want to enjoy sometimes a glow finish, so then I would recommend the Foundation X, which has a semi-matte finish and will give you a healthy glow to the oily skin without looking greasy.